If you are trying to choose between Kast and RedotPay, this video will break down the key differences so you can decide which one is actually better for you. And for now, let's get straight into it. First, what are these platforms? Kast is a digital payment app focused on simple online transactions, sending and receiving money, and managing your balance easily. RedotPay, on the other hand, is mainly known for offering virtual cards that you can use for online payments, subscriptions, and international purchases. Now let's compare them in the areas that actually matter. Ease of use. Kast is very beginner friendly. The app is clean, simple, and easy to navigate. Sending or receiving money takes just a few taps. RedotPay is also easy to use, but it is more focused on card management. If your main goal is to get a virtual card and start paying online quickly, it does that well. So here, Kast is better for general use. RedotPay is better for quick card setup. Features. Kast focuses on sending and receiving money, basic wallet functions, managing balances. RedotPay focuses on virtual cards for online payments, paying for subscriptions, international transactions. RedotPay is more specialized, while Kast is more general purpose. Payments and usage. If you want to send money to friends or use a wallet daily, Kast makes more sense. If you want to pay for services like Netflix, Spotify, or online shopping, RedotPay is usually the better option because of its virtual card system. Fees. Both platforms may have fees depending on how you use them. Kast usually keeps things simple with fewer surprises. RedotPay may include fees for certain transactions or card usage, especially for international payments. So if you care about predictable costs, Kast has a slight advantage. Availability. This is important. Kast may not be available in all regions or may have limitations depending on your country. RedotPay is generally more accessible for users who just want a working virtual card for online payments. Always check if the service works properly in your country before choosing. Security. Both platforms offer standard security features like account protection and transaction monitoring. There is no major difference here for most users, as long as you follow basic safety practices. Final verdict and conclusion. So which one is better? It depends on what you actually need. Choose Kast if you want a simple digital wallet, if you send and receive money regularly, if you prefer a clean, easy to set up app or easy to use app, and choose RedotPay if you mainly need a virtual card, if you want to pay for online services, if you shop internationally. Overall, RedotPay is better for payments and online purchases, while Kast is better for everyday wallet use. And that is it for today's comparison. Now we can pick the one that fits your needs. And if you find this video helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon to get all the news about such content. And tell me down below in the comments which option will you go for and why. Thanks for watching and see you in a new comparison video.